Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic, commonly asked Power BI interview, question and answer. What is context in DAX? Context in DAX refers to the environment in which a DAX formula is evaluated, including row context and filter context. How do you use the earlier function in DAX? The earlier function refers to an earlier row context in nested row context operations, often used in calculated columns for cumulative calculations. What is a calculated table in Power BI? A calculated table is a table created by a DAX formula that defines its values, allowing for custom table creation within the data model. How do you create a calculated table in Power BI? You create a calculated table by going to the Modeling tab, selecting New Table, and then writing a DAX formula to define the table's values. What is the generate function in DAX? The generate function returns a table with all possible combinations of rows from two specified tables, often used for creating cross joins. How do you use the concatenatix function in DAX? The concatenatix function concatenates the result of an expression evaluated for each row in a table, returning a single string with a specified delimiter. What is the difference between values and distinct functions in DAX? Values returns a table with unique values from a specified column and includes blank rows, while distinct removes blank rows. How do you use the path function in DAX? The path function returns a delimited text string with the identifiers of all parents of the current identifier in a parent-child hierarchy. What is a time intelligence function in DAX? Time intelligence functions are DAX functions designed to perform calculations over time periods such as year-to-date, quarter-to-date, month-to-date, etc. How do you calculate year-to-date values in DAX? I calculate year-to-date values using the total_itd function, which sums up values from the start of the year to the current date. How do you calculate month-over-month growth in DAX? I calculate month-over-month growth by creating measures that use the previous month and calculate functions to compare values from the current month to the previous month. How do you create a rolling average in DAX? I create a rolling average by using the dates in period function to define the time window, and then using the averagex function to calculate the average over that period. What is a user-defined hierarchy in Power BI? A user-defined hierarchy is a custom hierarchy created in the data model, allowing for easier drill down and analysis of hierarchical data in reports. How do you create a user-defined hierarchy in Power BI? You create a user-defined hierarchy by dragging and dropping columns into a hierarchy field in the Fields pane, allowing you to define the levels of the hierarchy. What is a calculated measure in Power BI? A calculated measure is a DAX formula that defines a calculation to be performed on data, which is then used in reports and visualizations. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.